Hello everyone, welcome to another simple tutorial of Windows 10. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot in Windows 10. Well, there's a couple of ways you can take a screenshot in Windows 10. So I'm gonna show you the easiest way. You just have to press on your keyboard Windows and print screen button. There will be a Windows and print screen button, print SC, or you will have just PRT, print, or you can have insert print screen in your keyboard. So you just have to at the same time both press the print screen and Windows button, and you can take a screenshot like that. So screenshot will be saved in your pictures folder. Screenshot, there we can see I just take a screenshot of this. Now we can see this, I just take a screenshot of my display. There it will have full display capture if you press Windows and print screen at the same time. If you don't have print screen or Windows is not working in Windows 10, then you can try function plus print screen K, or alter plus print screen K, or just press the print screen K. This will work on your Windows 10, but most of the laptop use this Windows and print screen K. So I'm gonna show you another way to take a screenshot. So there's this tools called snipping tools in your Windows 10. You just just to find that option, just go to your search bar and search for snipping tool, SNI. So here it is, just snipping tools, click on snipping tools, and here you'll find some option. Here will find you some mode that you can, if you want to take a screenshot, just click on mode. Free from snip, rectangular snip, window snip, full screen snip. So if you want a full screen capture of your Windows 10, just take a full screen capture. Then you can come here and paint it whatever you want to do. So then I'm gonna show you again the other mode of things. Window snip, rectangle snip. Freeform snip is the where you can, when you just want the specific thing that you want to take a screenshot of it. Like if I want to just this part of the portion of the thing, you just have to like this. I'm just making an example here, and here we go. You can take a screenshot of any part of the windows that you have in your Windows 10 or monitor display. So this is the freeform mode, and another form is rectangular snip. Rectangle snip is like if you want a rectangle snip, just click new and go to mode and rectangle snip. This will take a rectangular snip of your windows. So if you click anywhere, and you can see that it's just taking rectangular shape of your window. And there we go, you can take a screenshot of like that. You just to save it and save in the pictures folder, save. So that's how you use the snipping tools. You can go here and just capture. I just captured that snipping tool. With snipping tool, this is the photo. There's some other option you can check here. Windows snip. Click new, and this will take a window snip of your just the window that if you want to just a taskbar of this sheet. So this is how you use the snipping tool of your Windows 10. So this is the two ways that you can take a screenshot in your Windows 10. You just press Windows and print screen, or you can use the snipping tool from your accessory. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.